Hi guys, this is Mrs. Nelson and I am working with Group 1 students. This is Joe, this is Leroy, this is Ahmed. So you three need to make sure you have a whiteboard and marker, and let's go ahead and do that. After you watch this video, you will be asked to do the teacher worksheet if that is possible. Do that and then I will have something after that. Alright, here we go. Let's get this started. Also, at any point, if I talk too fast, you can stop the video and back it up and rewatch it. Don't be afraid to do that. Alright. Okay, so please take your whiteboard marker, write down this problem on your whiteboard, and let's go ahead and work this together. So we're going to be adding. Now remember, you are going to add everything in this column first. Okay? So you have 7 plus 4 more. Well, 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 1 more is going to be 11. Now remember, I cannot write 11 like this. I cannot do that because what that is saying is that 7 plus 6 in the tens, 7 tens plus 6 tens, 7 groups plus 6 groups is worth 1 group. No, I have to take it and I have to carry it up above, and then I'm going to add this column all together, this column, and my answer will go down there. So I have 7 plus 6. So if I add the 6 plus the 1 is 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14. I put the 4 there. You can carry the 1 here because it's really 4 plus a group of 100. So I move that 1 group of 100 over, drop it, it's 141. Let's do another one. Okay, we have 8 plus 6 more, so I already know that if I take 1 from the 8 and give it to the 6, that makes 7, 7, so 14. So that'll be 14. So I remember, I add from top to bottom. So 8 plus 6 is 14. So I put the 4 here. And I can't put this 1 right here. I can't do that because 9 plus 2 is not 1. So I'm going to carry that up here to the top of the tens place. And now I'm going to add this column from top to bottom and put the answer there. So 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. So I put the 2 down, carry the 1, and then bring it down, 124. Okay, we're going to do one more for good measure. All right, 6 plus 5 is 11. Because remember, I'm adding this column first. 6 plus 5 is going to be 11. Now, I can't write the 11 like that because this one, I need to take it and carry it because I have to add it to the 7 plus the 1. So it can't be underneath where my answer is. It's in the way. So now I'm going to add everything that's here and put it there. So 7 plus 1 more is 8 plus 1 more is 9. So this one is 9. All right. Several of you are forgetting your carries. Don't forget your carries. Don't forget them. You have to show them. All right, let's move on to subtraction where it gets a little more sticky wicky doo-dah. All right. Okay, right, 47 minus 19. Now remember, we are going to look at this column first. Okay, we look at this column. We look at it from top to bottom. Top to bottom. So we look at 7 first. And then we compare and we go, oh, 7, 9. If I have 7, I can't take 9 away. So I have to come over here and I have to borrow 1 from the 4. The 4 becomes a 3, okay? And that 1, because this is really 3 groups plus 1 group, and that 1 group that I'm taking away, I'm putting it next to, I'm putting it, so this is really 3 plus 1 right here. 3 plus 1, that makes 4. 3 groups of 10 plus 1 group of 10. So this 1 group of 10, I'm putting it next to the 7. So when I put it next to the 7, it becomes 17. Okay? And that 17 minus 9 becomes 8. Because 8 plus 9 is 17. If I add these two together, that gives me this. Alright, so now I have 3 groups of 10 minus 1 group of 10. Well, that's going to be 2. Alright? Here we go. And I'll show this a little different as well. Here's 8, 2, 4, 5. 82 minus 40, or minus 45. Minus 45. So remember, we look at it from top to bottom. Okay? So we look at this and say, okay, 2. Can I take 5 away? Cannot do that. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to borrow. So this, I'm going to take 1 group away. So if I have that, I have 7. That's really going to be 7 plus this 1. Okay? So that 1 I'm going to take and I'm going to put it next to the 2. Okay? And then I'm going to have, this stays 7 right here. That's because, so 8 becomes 7, because 7 plus 1 is 8. So that one group I took away, I put next to the 2, and it becomes 12, because 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 minus 5 is going to be 7, because 7 plus 5 is 12. Then 7 minus 4 is 3, because 4 plus 3 is 7. All right, that's that. I want to make sure you guys are clear on your rounding. So, if I have the number, and I want to round to the nearest tens, this is the tens. And it looks over at the 7 for help. And it says help, and 7 is strong, so this guy is strong. So if it's strong, you can push the 6 up to become 7, and then 7 leaves. 2 stays, because he don't care. Okay? Let's take a look at another number. 3, 9, 1, and 9 is asking for help because you're rounding to the nearest 10, and 1 is weak. So 1 says, I can't help you, 9. 9 just is stuck. 3 don't care, 9 is stuck, and 1 leaves. Alright, expanded form, making sure you are clear on that. So if I have a number in expanded form, I have 4,920, and I have 1, and those are all added together with parentheses. Okay? And if I'm looking at how many tens or how many hundreds are in a number, if I'm looking at how many tens, how many groups of 10? That's a good question. So let's look. How many groups of 10? Well, the 4 is sitting in the tens place. So I grab it and everything in front of it. So 24 groups of 10. All right. Teacher worksheet. Do that, turn it in, then come see me and I'll let you know what you need to do next. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.